In the southern colonies, there were landowners who owned all the land, prisoners who didn't own any land, and indentured servants who didn't own any land, just like the prisoners. In the southern colonies, the farmers in the southern colonies grew large plantations fields, and on the southern colonies, the farmers grew tobacco, rice, and indigo. In the southern colonies, fishing mostly happened in Maryland because it's the closest to the ocean. As you know, in my last slide, I typed the types of plants that the southern colonies that used. In this slide, I will type the plants that are used in the southern colonies. Wheat tobacco is used for making bread. Normal dry tobacco is used for patching leak pipes. Rice is used for eating, and indigo is used for painting stuff such as houses.
In the southern colonies, they had hundreds of old trees. Other than chopping down trees, they hunted for animals like beavers for their fur.
The landowners had slaves and indentured servants. Landowners lived in big mansions. Indentured servants lived in small houses, and slaves lived in small cabins.
Southern colonies were well known for their fur trading and trading wood for lumber support like wooden chairs.